here's the highest point. What's the altitude?
The elevation in meters is at 2,600.
Oh, okay, 3,600.
Now, so we go down. You want to start, so we have the
Okay.
Rio Sagrado.
Gracias.
How's your trip? Tired? A little bit?
A little bit tired.
And look at the wolves right here.
Oh.
That's what wolves good lucky,
Yep.
protecting the house,
Yeah.
protecting the family.
Yep.
How many nights stay here? Only one night?
2 nights.
2 nights.
Yeah.
That's swimming pool area.
Okay, yeah.
The black is celebrating here in the pool.
Yep.
And look at the alpaca area here in the grass.
Oh, that's the alpaca.
Normally I live here the alpaca in the day, okay? But now it's in the grass for feeding time.
Okay.
Yeah. Swimming pool area is normal 10 to 5. Okay? All the places. Look at the river. That's the Belmond river. Yeah. That's the restaurant area.
Restaurant.
Yeah, we have only one restaurant. We can do everything for lunch, for dinner,
Okay.
for breakfast,
Okay.
for this kind of dance into the left,
Okay.
right? Or if you like, you come in your room for these steps.
Okay.
And step, continue to dance until the left.
Okay. Or we can call the bucket.
Yes. See the feeding time of is over here.
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
That's the spa area.
Okay.
You have in the spa one you can see inside, another you can see outside, in the sea room, and in the shower.
How many rooms do you have in total?
We have in total 21.
21. Yep.
21 rooms and 2 villas.
And 2 villas. Yeah.
Yes. First time in Peru?
First time in Peru.
Yeah, you like?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's the food? Good?
Oh, we love the food. Yeah.
You eat ceviche in Lima as well?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you like?
Yeah. We like. Yeah.
That's our house.
Okay. So the Inca, right?
Yeah, Inca.
Inca architecture.
Yeah, exactly.
Learning.
Same construction, the Inca style.
Yeah. Okay, so back to the lobby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Also, a room is right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Ah, okay.
Too
Yep.
much.
Yep. Yep.
Look at that's a total private source for you. Huh? That's all it's is you.
That's all ours. Okay.
That's you.
Nice.
If you like maybe in the night you work at the fire, we have in the corner fire.
Okay.
We have a fireplace.
Oh, yep.
Fire, see, take a wine or peaceful hour, sit,
Yep.
relax.
Got it.
That's access.
Yep. Okay, let's get in.
Por favor, go ahead.
Thank you.
Key.
Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So now we arrived at Cusco. We are at about 2,800 meters high above sea level. So we continue our Belmond experience and we are at Rio Sagrado, which is a Belmond property. They only have 21 rooms here. And this is, I guess, do not disturb sign, and the housekeeping sign is at the door. So I will do a room tour very quickly. I built a garden suite with king bed. Okay, so walking inside, this is the separate area. Okay, with a work table, a work desk, with 2 chairs, with the drinks, espresso machine, the kettle, and you can see the cups and mugs that they use. It's a little bit different from the other hotel. So they have some cultural elements in here. Okay, so for the mini bar, we got non-alcoholic drinks included and also the snacks for the first round. And then for the second round, it will be chargeable. But for alcoholic, it will be chargeable from the beginning, okay? Okay, so they got bottle of water. Although I have to say, because they are in glass, it's a little bit hard to carry out to the places. Anyway, so on my right is the powder room. Okay, so this is basically the welcoming area when I walk in. Now moving to the bedroom. So this is the king size bedroom, okay, with the garden view. So this is the room with the garden view. Okay, so they do have a heater or, climate control, temperature control over here if we need to. But right now we're pretty comfortable. Okay, do not forget to close the window to avoid insects. Okay, that is our outside space. I will walk out in a minute. Okay, and then they always have the pillow menu. And actually, this one is very interesting because it's not just a card. They tell you exactly what to expect, which is very interesting. Okay, so now This is the bathroom. The safe deposit box is here. Okay. Slippers is here. Okay, hangers, bathrobes. You can tell I haven't checked out all the drawers yet. Okay. So this is the hair dryer, and this is the hair towel. Got this in the other hotel in Belmond as well. Okay. So very nice bathrobe, and then the rain shower. So actually they don't have a bathtub, so to speak. Okay. And this is the amenities. Okay. Yep. Okay. So let me walk out to show you. I think I can walk out from here. Yep. Okay. Never mind. I'll walk out through the main door. Yeah, some people do not like the way that I did it, but that's my style. I just want to do it for one take, so you know what to expect when you're here. So, no fancy touch-up or encore, whatever. Okay, so let me close the door. Okay, so this is the outside area, the terrace. So my husband is, of course, surfing the internet. You know, if the door opens, you know, I should be able to walk out this way with 2 sun chairs. And then again, that is the view. And then it's mentioned that there are fireplaces if we want to, and we can heat it up at night if we want to. And this is Inca architecture. So, you know, we are staying at an Inca architecture boutique hotel under Belmond. So we will have dinner here tonight. We'll have breakfast here tomorrow morning, and the day after we'll be here for 2 nights. So follow us, we'll show you everything. Thank you.
One place is short. Yes.
Yep.
This is the one. Lime juice.
Okay.
Is a local chop with a killer. This is the fava beans cookies.
The quinoa drink. Yeah, it's hot.
Okay.
Sure.
A Peruvian coffee from the convention.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Happy, happy. Hi. Yep.